It's your boy Dom. I'm back again with another great video for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find the right order blocks when you start trading Forex. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step all the rules to finding the most accurate and most consistent order blocks so that you can find more profitability and more consistency overall in your trading. So before we do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's jump into the video. First video, and you know the basics of what an order block is. Just to recap, a bullish order block is the last down candle before the explosive move up. Vice versa, the last up candle before the down move is a bearish order block. All right, and so in this illustration, I want to dive a little bit further and give you a little bit more context behind how to actually go about and implement this on your charts so that you can, see a little bit more consistency in using order blocks. As you can see here, we're in a tight range, right? So we're in a tight range, and we have a structure formed. And so what I'm looking for three things to happen. The first thing I'm looking to happen, one of three, is for us to have a sell stop or a buy stop rate. In this illustration, we're using a bullish example. So we have a sell stop or a stop hunt on sell side liquidity. So we grab that. And then step two, the next step that I'm looking for is a break in market structure. Okay. And so we have that explosive move to the upside. We have that break in market structure. The next thing, the third thing that I'm looking for with that break in market structure, I'm looking for an imbalance to be created. Okay. And so in this instance, we have created a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Okay. And so what that is anytime, no matter what the time frame, 4-hour, daily, weekly, 30-minute, 15-minute, 1-minute chart, whenever an imbalance is created to one side, then that means price has to always balance itself out. All right. And so in this instance, we broke that market structure, but then we created that buy side imbalance. So we have sell side inefficiency. So you see price consolidates and it comes down and it comes down and it balances out and it comes back to origin where that last down candle was. And we see that explosive move back to the top. Now this strategy alone, if you just focus in on these three things, a stop hunt on either sell stops or buy stops, it just inverse on the other side, a break in that structure, an imbalance created, and then wait for you. It takes a little patience, but if you can have some patience, wait for it to return back to that origin, to that order block, and then you typically will see damn near flawless execution. Okay, and so now let's just bust down into the charts and actually see this live and in action. I got the replay set up, so we're on GJ on a 4-hour chart, and what I can see here is that we actually had a bullish order block here on the 4-hour chart. Price reacted to that, created that swing low, and started a new structure. All right, and so let's just see what happened. So my eyes go here to this current swing low, and so let's play it out. Oh, what do you see there? Okay, so right there I saw that we had a stop hunt right there. So let's mark that out really quick. So this swing low was taken out. All right, you had the stop hunt there, and we'll put that at the bottom, or you can put sell stop raid. All right, so you have that purge there, or that sell stop raid. And so let's see how it plays out. Let's see, now we have kind of like a structure. I know right here, here's our buy stops resting about there. Okay, and so let's see what happens. Okay, raise it again. So now what we're waiting for is a break instruction. So as you can see here, I'm gonna stop it, but as you can see, okay, so that swing low, okay, we saw the sell stop, we saw the stop hunt there. It came back again and closed below this low. So now these people, these sellers are trapped. Okay, so now all we're waiting for is we're waiting for a break instruction. So step one has been completed, and let's see. Speed it up for 1 second. So as price is continuously like, boom, okay. So now we have a break. We have a break in market structure. Okay. So now we have a break in market structure. So now my eyes immediately goes here to this order block. It immediately goes here. So so this order block, I know we're gonna have to return here. So we had that sell stop rate, price continued to bounce around, we broke structure, and as you can tell, this is a 4-hour chart, so this is a lot of patience. So price is going, it's bouncing around. Price is going. Let's see. Speed it up just a tad bit. So what happened? Here? We had that break in market structure, remember? And then we have created this imbalance. This buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Remember, price has to balance itself out. As you can see, price is taking its time, but it's balancing itself out. Boom. What happens? Return to the order block, and it shoots up. That is for, it's a sniper entry, man. That's 100 pips. And this is on a 4-hour chart. This is like one shot, man. Like one shot, one kill type of situation. It takes a long, it takes a little while for, it takes a lot of patience. But if you are the type of person that is looking to capture, a lot of pips, this can work out. For you. Okay, so just remember those steps, man. You're gonna have a stop hunt, you're gonna have a break in market structure, you're gonna create an imbalance, and it's gonna return to origin. So that is, in a nutshell, the 3 key things that you need to pick a great order block. So let's go in and let's look for a bullish order block, GU on the 15-minute chart in bearish conditions. So let's go ahead and play the replay and see what happens. Okay, so here what I can see is that price has created these equal highs. Okay, and so what typically are resting above equal highs? It's usually buy stops. Okay, so there's buy side liquidity there. So that I'm already notating that. All right, and so now we just play it out, and boom, what happens? We got that stop hunt. Okay, so we have that that raid on buy side liquidity that happens right there. So that sweep up, so let's see, that is going to be a stop hunt slash buy side liquidity raid. All right, so they take those buy stops. Okay, so now buyers who are the break free artists are trapped. Okay, and so now what we can expect here is I would need to see a break in structure. So my eyes go here next, and I would need to see a break in this structure happen next. And so let's see what happens. Okay, boom. So we get that break in structure. So now that we have a break in structure, we can wait for the return on that order block, because the last up candle before the big explosive down move, that is a strong order block, right? And so we have that break in market structure that happens, and let's see, let's put it at the bottom. So we have that break in market structure, right? So we broke the structure. We had to stop hunt. We had a break in structure. My eyes go here to the order block. And so we got that bearish order block. It's right here. So now let's see if price returns. So boom, price returns to that order block, and what happens? Sniper entry, man. Sniper fucking entry. And so price just continues to melt, and it's that simple, man. You can find this on, you just have to have the patience, and you have to have the patience to train your eyes to see it. All right, and it returns. It looks like it returns again. Let's play it out. But you know, if you're entering first, as soon as it comes back, man, that's what, 28 pips. Like, man, that's fucking phenomenal, man. So hopefully this answered a lot of questions on how to choose the right order blocks, or what is, the most profitable order blocks, how you find consistent order blocks, because not all order blocks are created equal. So you follow those 3 rules, I promise you'll be in a much better position moving forward. And I look forward to hearing from your results, man. So make sure you drop a comment. Let me know. Go through your charts, back test this, add it to your trading plan, and I would love to hear your results. So get back with me. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.